So whenever you're working around with the project, what happens is that it gets saved in at a certain time interval by default. So in case users crash, then it can simply revert back onto the point it was saved in. But you can go around and choose the amount of the time interval that you want to set the autosave to be in yourself as well, and to change around other settings as well. So to do that, you need to go around under edit, and then over here you can go around onto preferences, and here you can see that autosave is an option. So if I were to go around and click on autosave right here, so now it says autosave every 15 minutes, as you can see right here. So whenever you're working, every 15 minutes, it automatically saves out a backup of your project right here. But you can go around and set that out to 1 minute as well, just like this. And it says maximum project version. So whenever you're saving, then after 5 version, it is going to delete out the old version and then replace the newest version, replace it with the newest version right here. So the version right now is 5. But what you can do is you can go around and change the version out to 100 and so forth according to how you like right here. So what happens now is that there's an automatic save of your project, a backup of your project so that you don't lose it every 1 minute, and then you have 100 version of project, so 100 minutes worth of work. So if you want to revert back to a certain time to a particular project version, then you can easily do so. So apart from that, you got the capture settings right here, as you can see right here. So now in the capture settings, you can just see report drop frame. So what happens is that whenever you're capturing media through your webcam or any other capturing device, it'll report out the drop frame right here and create a separate report of it if you were to turn this on. That's it for the capture. Then you got the media right here, the media settings right here, as you can see. So media, in the media settings, you see cache size, and then you can see that this is the particular location where temporary media is stored. It's in the common folder, as you can see right here, and it is taking up 2 GB right now. So whenever you're rendering something, the temporary files are created and it is stored in this particular location. But you may not want to do that. You may want to change out the location of it, or you may want to clean out the cache media right here. In that case, you can simply clean it out and it'll delete out the temporary files and your hard disk space will be saved. And now if I were to go around and click on browse, I can select another location right here. Let's say for example YouTube right here, and in temp I want to save it, let's say for example. Then what I can do is delete out the current media cache, and now the new location has been saved. So all of the temporary media will be saved onto that particular new location right there. So now you can also see that it says display time media code in source frame format right here, and so in an out point offset in media as well. So you can also go around and choose this out if you want to right here. And then what happens is that you get the similar settings accordingly. So that is how you can go around and work around with autosave, capture, and then media settings inside of Adobe Premiere Elements to let it behave the way it does. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.